Hello, and welcome to part 8 of Learn to Embroider with Winnie the Pooh and Friends. In this tutorial, we will finish adding embroidery to your square using straight stitch and detached chain. You'll probably be quite comfortable with these essential stitches that we've already learnt in earlier issues. However, if you wish to have a reminder of the instructions for either stitch, please check out our previous videos along with the step-by-step instructions in your stitch library from the magazine. I really hope you'll enjoy completing your Piglet on a Rainy Day square in this tutorial with me today. For today's stitches, we're going to need the Piglet on a Rainy Day square, our embroidery needle, scissors and hoop, and threads number 57, which is a green, 58, which is a grass green, 217, which is the aqua variation, and 218, which is the purple variation. To begin with, I will be using 3 strands of thread number 217, the aqua variation, to embroider the left and middle raindrops under the umbrella using the detached chain stitch. As a quick reminder of the technique, starting with your needle behind the fabric, push it up at your starting point and pull the thread through. Then push the needle back down at the same point, leaving a loop. Then push your needle up from the back to the front of the fabric at a point inside the loop and pull the thread through the loop. To secure the stitch, push your needle from the front to the back of the fabric just above the loop thread and pull to complete the stitch. I will then add the third raindrop on the right hand side, also in the detached chain stitch, using 3 strands of thread number 218, which is the purple variation. I will then use my straight stitch to add tufts of grass, first using 1 strand of thread number 57, which is one of the greens, followed by 1 strand of thread number 58 to add the remaining tufts in straight stitch. When stitching the green tufts in threads 57 and 58, use these sporadically across the area. And make sure that some are stitched over the top of the puddles to add a bit of depth to the square. Finally, I will add some rain splashes to the puddle in straight stitch using 2 strands of thread number 218, which is the purple variation. And to finish, we're going to secure our stitch on the back, making a knot and trimming the ends of the thread. So that is the Piglet on a Rainy Day square complete. I really hope you've enjoyed continuing to make your Winnie the Pooh quilt with me today, and I hope you'll join me for the next tutorial where you'll begin your next square Balloons in the Rain by using applique, a new stitch called buttonhole stitch, and some gorgeous lemon spot fabric to create a lovely yellow balloon. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.